Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create shortcut on the Snapchat using iPhone or the Android. So if you want to create shortcut, the process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if you are on the iPhone, the process is same for iPhone and the Android. Just follow the same procedure. Right now I am on the Android. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat and you have to click on this button to click a picture. So once your picture is done, now you have to click on the send to, and here you will see shortcut button. So maybe you won't find this button here, so go back and open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the Snapchat. Okay, once you will search for it, here you will see open or updated button. If you are on the iPhone, you just simply have to go to the Apple Store and update your Snapchat application. Once you will do it, open your Snapchat again and you will find a shortcut option here. So click on it and here you will see new shortcut option. Tap on it and here you have to select the font you want to add in the shortcut, and then simply enter any emoji you want. Enter any text, you just have to enter any emoji here and then simply click on the create shortcut. And so this is the procedure to create a shortcut on the Snapchat using the iPhone. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.